Go, bud, go.
With 2 hands.
Who is it? Oh. Who is it, bud?
I'm excited. I think I know. What is it, bud? I'm working on it, Mama.
Oops.
One more, pal. Let's grab this one. Let's see if the paper's good. The oral paper.
Oh, it's Ring 2!
Whoa. Tag.
Yeah, not the tag. Hey, bud. Oh, it's Ring 2 from Ni Hao Kai Lan. Oh,
Little Wasco, huh, bud?
Ring 2 from Ni Hao Kai Lan.
Wow.
How cool is that, bud? So thanks, Daddy. Now I got Tully and Ring 2, bud.
Now I need Hobo for my birthday.
Yeah.
This label. Love them labels, huh, bud?
He's so funny. He's just like so like, yeah. Where's my next one? Alright. Dad, you want to open one? Or I guess I should knock some of these out.
Yeah.
So I'm not sitting here.